Hi there, class. Welcome back to another exciting lesson here at Diego Professional Teaching. Today, I'm breaking down the second conditional, a crucial part of mastering English. It's a powerful tool in English, but it's also one that trips up a lot of students. Many find it confusing at first, but with a bit of practice it becomes second nature. So let's dive in and clear up any confusion. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel much more confident using the second conditional. First off, what is the second conditional? It's a way to talk about hypothetical situations that are unlikely to happen in the present or future. The second conditional is used to talk about hypothetical situations in the present or future. These are scenarios that are imagined or not likely to occur. Things that are unlikely or imaginary. The structure is simple. Once you get the hang of it, you'll see how useful it can be in everyday conversation. It's if plus past simple and would plus base form of the verb. This structure helps you frame your thoughts clearly and correctly. For example, if I won the lottery, I would travel the world. This sentence imagines a situation that is not real but is fun to think about. Notice how won is in the past simple and would travel follows. This is the key to forming the second conditional correctly. Now, how is this different from the first conditional? It's important to distinguish between the two to avoid confusion. The first conditional deals with real and possible situations. These are scenarios that could actually happen. Its structure is if plus present simple and will plus base form of the verb. This is used for real possibilities. For instance, if it rains, I will take an umbrella. This is something that could realistically happen. See the difference? First conditional is about real possibilities, while the second conditional is about hypothetical ones. Understanding this distinction is crucial. The second conditional allows you to explore imaginary scenarios and express your thoughts creatively. Alright, let's talk about some common mistakes. These are pitfalls that many learners encounter. The first big one is mixing up the tenses. This can lead to confusion and incorrect sentences, like saying, if I win the lottery, I would travel the world. This is incorrect because win should be in the past simple form. Here, win should be won because we're talking about a hypothetical situation. Always remember to use the past simple form after if. Another mistake is using will instead of would. This is a common error that can change the meaning of your sentence. For example, if I won the lottery, I will travel the world. This is incorrect because will is used for the first conditional. Remember, will is for the first conditional, would is for the second. This distinction is key to mastering conditionals. And don't forget subject-verb agreement. This is another area where mistakes often occur. Saying, if he were here, he would help us. This is incorrect because helps should be help. It should be he would help us. Alright, let's recap. Reviewing these points will help solidify your understanding. Second conditional is for hypothetical situations. These are scenarios that are imagined or unlikely to happen. The structure is if plus past simple and would plus base form of the verb. This structure is essential for forming correct sentences. Don't mix it up with the first conditional, which deals with real possibilities. Keeping these two conditionals separate in your mind is crucial. Avoid mixing tenses and remember to use would instead of will. This will help you avoid common mistakes. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be using the second conditional with ease. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more language tips. See you next time. Keep learning and stay curious.